Hi Bay East, Garrick with eXp Realty. My home ownership journey began in 1999 when I bought my first house in Fremont, California. I was able to scrape up the 10% I needed for my 80-10-10 loan to get it to close. I literally had 3 digits left in my savings account. That includes the change. It was a great buying experience, but felt it could be improved. Today, I lead a group of over 30 agents serving from Sacramento to San Diego and oversee over 200 transactions during the past 10 years. I believe home ownership should be accessible for all. Equal access for all races, color, religion, sex, handicap, familial status, sexual orientation, gender identity, and national origin. I have served as the Asian Real Estate Association of America Greater East Bay Chapter President in 2019 to promote AAPI home ownership. I have gone to city council meetings, Sacramento and Washington, D.C. to advocate for home ownership. Today, I lead the Bay East Global Work Group. I also serve as the ARIA National Chapter Development Chair. Additionally, I oversee the San Francisco Bay Area Agent Forum and the Asian Network at my brokerage. I'm asking for your vote for Bay East Director at Large to further home ownership for all and elevate our profession as realtors. I look forward to serving you and seeing you in the field. See you soon.